So now I'm going to talk about the meat of this video, which is how to sew a seam using double crochet. Okay, so again, my pieces are lined up, and what I'm looking for are two things. First, I'm looking for the stitch that we used at the end and beginning of the row. Then I'm looking for the turning chains, and then I'm looking for that next stitch of the next row. And that's what we want to line up here. See, we've got our two pieces, right side facing, and we've got our stitch from that previous row, and then down here we have the turning chain stitches of 3. So then we've got the stitch that we used to start the row. So that means we have a total of 5 stitches. So in order to secure this, because there is this open space here, you want to line it up, because when you open up your garment, you want it to have a nice seam, but you also want to make sure that you're getting the maximum amount of security in your seam. So I just went through, and all I'm doing here is a binding stitch, which is just overlapping. And I just went through that first stitch. So now I know I have 3 more to go. When you're doing this, don't pull it so tight. You want it to have a little bit of leeway or ease, because if you pull it too tight, then your garment's just going to bunch up on the seams and they're going to look, crappy. So then just go. So that was, I secured the first stitch. Then I did another stitch of the chain stitch. Okay. Now I'm on the second stitch of the chain stitch. Now I'm on the third stitch of the chain stitch, the turning chain. Now my next is just going to be where I secured the row on both stitches, and it's that easy. So look at your stitch, look what you're doing, and it'll just go together flawlessly. Then when you open it, you see, you really can't see the seam there. It just looks like it's all one, and that's what you want. You don't have to be perfect, but you do want a nice seam when you open your garment. And then when you go to wear it and you press it, it'll press out and it'll just look great. All right. I'll see you at bddpatterns.com. Have a great day.